Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Like promised, I'm gonna do a quick unbox regarding about this latest model of the cordless vacuum from Ridgid. This one I bought it for $59.99 on Home Depot online, and I think they ship it through On Track. I got it about a week later, and supposedly this is better than the older versions. So I actually took this out and I actually tried to vacuum it, my car, and how would I say this? So it's okay. It will do the job, but don't expect too much of it. The suctions might not be as good as you expected. So this is what it come with. So the battery, that's my battery. This just bare tool only. So that's the vacuum, and there's hose extensions, and it comes with this little one. I also like small areas, and Ridgid lineup. So there's a bunch of Ridgid tools compatible with maybe $100 tool itself. And again, this is the manuals, which we hardly read them. Toss it over there. And there's other extension or adapter, what you call it. So that's pretty much it. And a total, I think it cost me $65 with tax and with shipping and everything. So I'm gonna turn it on so you guys can hear it, and let's see. Let's try it on this one right here. So that's the vacuum. So that's what it does. And in order for you can to remove this, you just pull this down and then just empty all the dust or the dirt, whatever. But that's pretty much it. So it's compatible. It's like I said, it's gonna be good for the vehicle if you have a bunch of kids. But as far as expecting like great suctions, I don't think any cordless will do. Or as far as I'm concerned, this one, it's okay. It will do the job, cleaning up, but not the best. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.